Want to watch YouTube TV on your Apple TV? Setting it up is simple. In this guide, we'll walk you through the installation process, signing in, and how to make the most of YouTube TV on your Apple device. Step 1. Check compatibility. Ensure your Apple TV is a 4th generation or later model, as older models don't support the YouTube TV app. Step 2. Download YouTube TV. Keycap 1. Open the App Store on your Apple TV. Keycap 2. Use the search function and type YouTube TV. Keycap 3. Select the YouTube TV app and click Get to install it. Keycap 4. Wait for the download to complete, then open the app. Step 3. Sign into your account. Select Sign in on the YouTube TV home screen. On your mobile device or computer, visit youtube.com/start. Enter the activation code displayed on your Apple TV. Log in with your Google account linked to YouTube TV. Step 4. Explore YouTube TV features. Once signed in, you can white heavy checkmark browse live TV channels from the home screen. White heavy checkmark access your DVR library with saved recordings. White heavy checkmark use Siri voice commands to control playback hands-free. White heavy checkmark adjust video quality settings for the best streaming experience. Step 5. Troubleshooting and AMP optimization. If the app isn't working, restart your Apple TV and check for software updates. For better performance, connect your Apple TV to a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. If YouTube TV is buffering, lower the video quality in Settings and GT, Video Quality Preferences. Bonus tip: want quick access? Move YouTube TV to the top row of your Apple TV home screen for easier navigation. Enjoy seamless streaming with YouTube TV on Apple TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.